Welcome to Clean Waste Quick Guide on how to use the original Wag Bag, your go-to solution for clean and easy waste disposal. Let's start by opening your Wag Bag. Inside, you'll find everything you need: an inner bag with a special powder to absorb odors and solidify waste, an outer bag for secure disposal, toilet paper, and a hand wipe. You can place the Wag Bag on the ground, in a bucket, on a collapsible toilet, or even use it with our own commode and privacy shelter. Now, it's time to do your business. Whether it's a call of nature or an emergency, use it just like you would a regular toilet. Once you're done, simply tie off the inner bag. Next, place the inner bag into the outer bag. This extra layer ensures a smell-proof, leak-proof disposal. Finally, you can dispose of the Wag Bag in any regular trash can. It's safe, sanitary, and environmentally friendly. Whether you're outdoors, on a road trip, or in any situation without standard plumbing, the Wag Bag has got you covered.